We got a leaking washer fluid bottle here. We're going to fix it on my Denali Yukon. I noticed it was leaking from the bottom here, but it could be coming from one of the seals where well, I don't know. But I filled it up, and I know it was leaking from here. It's probably dried out now. The only water I noticed was coming from the seam area. And this is an old vehicle, so it's probably time. But we're going to seal it up and stop this leak. But this one comes out a little differently than my other vehicles. To get this one out, I had to remove a rubber or plastic, wasn't a Christmas tree screw, well maybe it was, Christmas tree little screw there, just like this one. Just kind of pop it out. So I got one loose from there. And underneath, there are at least 2 screws. You have to pull this back to see it though. What's going on, Pumpkin? Your shocks messed up? The Christmas tree nut went there, and there was a screw that was here, and I think there's one up further. But I have to take it out to actually show where they are. But I got the screw out there. Got to remove the battery, disconnect the battery, and have to remove the battery tray. Actually, this thing slides straight down. You can't pull it up. It has to uninstall and reinstall from the bottom. But we're going to remove the battery and battery tray, so we'll see what's going on here. You get the battery bracket off of there, and it should be ready to come out. This tray has, well, took the bolt out of the battery mount bracket there. Battery bracket out to hold the battery down. And this is like a 11 millimeter. And this tray had like 4 bolts there, and 2 of them, like I think one of them looked like it's holding on the washer fluid container there. And this may be one of them. You gone and got rid of them? All them dogs gone. Puppies and dogs. Couldn't take no. Enough, I would have took the cage. Couldn't take no more. Couldn't take no more. I bet. Shit. Alrighty. There's a little bolt right here. Need to take off. And I think this 10 millimeter is gonna take care of that also. Okay, we got him out. Got 2 water line connectors right here. I'm just gonna pull them apart. That's one. One's for the front and one for the rear. Just pull apart there. In the corner, just holding these together. Just put it apart with your hand, or a flathead screwdriver. I just got it. And once everything's loose, the bolt on the bottom, the bolt here on the top, and the bolt from the tray. I think there's at least 3. And there are 2 electrical connectors that are on this that need to be taken off. And I think I have to get both of them. Well, I'm probably going to get one from the top and one from the bottom. Got one off, and the other one, put my hand down. Got a small clip you can pull up on. I got the other one loose. And now this thing is free. Well, it's not free yet. Something's still connected. The Christmas tree nut right here is holding the bottle on, and the one that's located right here is holding the bottle on. So we can't. I need my flathead screwdriver to get that out, so I can find it. Try. Okay, that popped out.
Replacing now.
I'm fixing my washer fluid bottle. Is
it leaking?
Yep, it's old though.
You gotta get a new one?
No, I'm gonna glue it. Where the leaking at?
So what was it, burned through or something?
No, just old. I can feel right under here, and could be one that look like it's coming from around the seal here instead of here. I think it's coming from the seal, Pumpkin.
Seal probably worn out.
Right where the electrical plugs in. So I'm gonna put some silicone around there, some gasket maker.
Pressure in it to see.
Oh, but, I mean, it's for sure it's coming from here. It's wet around there. So I'm gonna make sure that's sealed and that's sealed, and we should be good to go. That better should be too. Thanks for watching. Gonna drain the water out. It looks like it's coming from around this pump. So I'm going to take the hose off. If I can get the hose off. Don't know if it snaps up. I twist it in. Well, that just pulled out. This pump just pulled out. Put that in my pocket. And there's the gasket. There's something that spins down here. Never seen that. Like a little fan. I don't know if you can see down in there. Looks like a little fan down there. Hopefully this thing pops up. I mean, what else would it do? Get my Phillips head screwdriver and see if this pops up. Don't want to forget my washer back in there. Put all this stuff in a safe place. look like it's coming from around this pump. So I'm going to take the hose off. If I can get the hose off. Don't know if it snaps up. I twist it in. Well, that just pulled out. This pump just pulled out. Put that in my pocket. And there's the gasket. There's something that spins down here. Never seen that, like a little fan. I don't know if you can see down in there. Look, a little fan down there. Hopefully this thing pops up. I mean, what else would it do? Get my Phillips head screwdriver and see if this pops up. Don't want to forget my washer back in there. Put all this stuff in a safe place. Let's see if this pops up. And here it comes. And it came right up. Just took my screwdriver, my flathead, and did it up real slowly. So what I'm going to do is put some silicone around here and around there, the top and the bottom, and that should take care of my problem. Just in case it's leaking from there, I'm going to put some glue on, hot glue across there, and smooth it out with a trowel. Moving right along. I'm going to put some around here also, in the inside.